Hi, and welcome to this presentation on equitable and inclusive learning. Focusing on the tool Glean. Glean is a note-taking and study support tool designed to help all types of learners, especially those who may struggle with focus or need extra support in organizing their study materials. According to Udall and Woodall, 2019, equitable learning technologies make sure everyone has the tools they need to succeed, which is Glean's aim. By offering students resources to organize and revisit material easily, Glean supports learning environments where everyone, regardless of learning style or need, can keep up and do well. Today, I'll go over how Glean accomplishes this using the Builds framework. For this analysis, we're focusing on Glean, a digital learning tool that's proven effective for supporting learners with diverse needs. A study by Martin et al. 2023, on inclusive strategies in online learning found that tools with multimodal support, like Glean's audio and visual organization features, are particularly beneficial for students with disabilities. Glean allows users to record lectures, highlight key points, and add personal notes in a way that's easy to revisit. This is especially helpful for students who may have difficulty focusing in class or who benefit from self-paced review. By allowing them to listen to recordings and review structured notes, Glean makes it easier for everyone to follow along and succeed. Starting with business needs, Glean aligns with the goals of educational institutions aiming to be more inclusive and accessible. Ahmad et al. 2024 highlight how adaptive learning tools address diverse learning needs, meeting growing demands for accessibility in education. Glean helps organizations meet accessibility standards, like those set by the ADA, which mandates support for students with disabilities. Additionally, it enhances a school's or company's reputation as inclusive, forward-thinking, and committed to supporting diverse students or employees. Adopting Glean shows that the organization values accessibility and actively supports all learners. Now, let's look at user experience. Glean's UX is intuitive and adaptable, designed to support students who need extra help with organization and focus. Research by Karajani and Drigas, 2023, emphasizes that effective UX for inclusive tools should offer personalization options, which Glean does through features like text highlights, recording capabilities, and visual organization. For example, a student with ADHD can use Glean's visual markers to easily identify key sections, while someone with a learning disability can listen back to recordings at their own pace. Glean allows each user to customize their learning experience, leading to better engagement and improved retention. Glean makes a real difference in learning outcomes by helping students actively engage with material, improving both comprehension and retention. A study by Yenduri et al. 2023, on assistive technologies in education shows that tools like Glean, which integrate audio and visual features, help students retain information longer by making learning interactive and accessible. Glean's design allows students to highlight, organize, and revisit content, which empowers them to take control of their learning process. This helps them feel more confident and capable, which research links to better academic results. Glean is a great example of how emerging technologies can make learning more adaptive and accessible. As noted by Fink, 2023, modern tools that allow students to personalize their study process make learning more equitable. Glean's features, like audio playback and note categorization, let students engage with content in multiple ways, following universal design for learning principles. By providing a flexible platform for diverse learners, Glean demonstrates how technology can meet a variety of learning needs and create a more inclusive environment. Let's talk about dependencies. Implementing Glean requires basic technical infrastructure, such as compatible devices, internet access, and initial training for students and educators. Mlongo et al. 2023 highlight that support resources, like technical support and cloud storage for recordings, are necessary for maximizing the benefits of educational technology. With these dependencies met, organizations can make the most of Glean's capabilities, ensuring a smooth, consistent experience for students. Finally, let's look at signals of the future. Glean is part of a growing movement toward personalized, accessible learning tools. As technologies like AI continue to advance, we can expect future versions of Glean to offer even more customized support, such as real-time summarization or tagging for quick reference. According to Dick, 2021, the increasing focus on accessibility in education means that adaptive tools like Glean will likely become more standard. Glean is setting the stage for a future in which learning is designed to be inclusive from the start. In reflection, Glean is a powerful tool for equitable learning. It's flexible and easy to use, especially for students who struggle with traditional study methods or who have unique learning needs. While setting up Glean requires some resources and training, the benefits for students' comprehension, confidence, and engagement are clear. Personally, I see Glean as a valuable step forward in educational technology. It empowers students to manage their own learning and supports them in ways that traditional study methods can't. As I continue in learning design and technology, I'm inspired by tools like Glean that make education more accessible and inclusive. To wrap up, this build's analysis has shown how Glean supports equitable learning by providing adaptable note-taking and review tools. Backed by research, Glean addresses diverse learning needs and aligns with today's focus on inclusive practices. I hope this analysis has provided insight into the critical role of tools like Glean in creating fair, accessible learning environments for all students. Thank you for watching.